open this PC, go to properties, advanced settings, environmental settings, path, new, type C:\Python 34 scripts, then OK, close. Now open command prompt, type pip install pyinstaller. Now check pyinstaller is downloaded or not. I am having this snake folder and snake.py file. Shift plus mouse right click and go to open PowerShell. Type pyinstaller and Filename.py. Don't forget space. After this all done, you can see the files inside this. You can find .exe file here. Open it. It will having some disadvantage. It will shows the command prompt behind the execution. Now go to next pyinstaller/w, then filename.py. After this all done, go again back to the folder. Open this. Now in this you cannot see the command prompt. Delete all other files after this, before this. pyinstaller f, filename.py. After this, go again to the folder. And check dist. You find a single file here, but it shows the command prompt. Now here the I is used for the icons. You can see the icon here. Now type pyinstaller w/f/i icon path IOC. Don't use PNG and JPG file. Then space filename.py. Here I have to copy the path, put this path in double quotes. can see the advantage of this command. In text folder you can get the single file having icon also. You can share .exe file as it is. No need to share the code. And here command prompt is also not going to show you.